Okay, so this is a very short video, and I'm just gonna show you how I assign the correct scope to colors. So we're talking about sidebar here, but sidebar is actually sidebar background. So a background should be frame and shape. So the rule is kind of like a background is frame and shape, and the foreground should be shape and text. So accent is also a background. Primary is also a background. So those you can select like both at the same time, and it should be like frame and shape. But then the other ones that we didn't cover yet, so these two foregrounds, for example, they should be frame and shape. No, wait, shape and text. So shape could be an icon and text could be just any text. Then border, it should be set to stroke, and ring should be set to both the stroke and effects. I'm not sure, maybe one of them can be removed, but let's keep it there. So going forward, sidebar muted, what is that? That's also a background. So we would have frame and shape. And then these charts, like what would we do with chart color? I think that is always a shape or maybe a frame. So I'll just put it like that. So we keep going, like all these things are, like one of them is a fill and one is a stroke, right? So here we would only select the fills. Then these ones I see they are sorted in a different way, so that's something to fix. Fill, 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 like that. And then all of those fills, they should be just like before, frame and shape. But then all of the strokes, so you can hold command on your keyboard, all of the strokes, they should be scoped to the border. So I'm just gonna go in and change this. And this is something that maybe if you're using an old version of our kit, you might have to do yourself, right? So that's why I'm making a video. So I'm setting all of this to stroke. And then here, chart static blue. So all of that, I don't really know what that refers to for those 5 values. Like, are they always backgrounds? I think so, but I'm not sure, so I'm just gonna leave that alone for now. And then the documentation, the idea was that was actually only for the frame level. So I'm just gonna put this to frame. So that's about scoping the colors. I started this video with sidebar. So before that, I also scoped the ring. I also scoped these borders to stroke. I'll show you that here, stroke. These accents are backgrounds, so like all the accents are scoped to both frame and shape. All of these things are like backgrounds for the buttons, so they're all frame and shape as well. This is foreground. Like if it doesn't say anything, it's a background, that's the rule. So mid alt is a background, mid is a background, backdrop is a background. Contrast is also a background, but I'm thinking this one will be deprecated, like we won't need it anymore. So I'm just gonna put a marker on it and it will be removed in a future release. So that's about scoping of colors, like how that works.